In this video, we're going to show you how to play Surf on Counter-Strike 2, either offline or online. All right, we are back in Steam. You need Steam for this, right? So what you want to do is click on Library here on the left-hand corner, Library, and then click, and then a pop-up will appear, a drop-down. Click on Home, and this will show you all the games you have. And as you can see, we have Counter-Strike 2 here. And what you need to do is look under Play. There's a small, tiny menu here. Go to Workshop. It is under Achievements here. Click on Workshop. And in Workshop, there's going to be a search bar here on the mid right side. Just type in Surf and press Enter. And here you're going to see surfing maps for Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that the one that you choose is updated for the game, because sometimes there are older surfing maps and it's not going to work. So just choose one, maybe let's sort by relevance or most recent. And as you can see here, most recent, they don't have any stars yet, except for this one. So maybe let's choose this one. And how to do this, how to add this to your Counter-Strike game is just click on subscribe. And as you can see here, this item has been added to your subscription. Some games will require you to relaunch them before the item will be downloaded. And there you have it. That's how you do it. You can just play it on your Counter-Strike game. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.